Mickey.
Hi there.
How can I sell more in a competitive product niche?
I think first and foremost, competitive doesn't mean bad. Competition can be a really great thing. It means that people out there want to buy products like yours. It's just about making sure that your products can stand out from the crowd. The very first way that I would encourage folks to think about competition is differentiation from your competitors. Go do research, find out what they do well, find out how your products might want to be similar to theirs in some ways, but then understand a way to make them stand out in some unique way so that customers understand, hey, I want to buy this product, not that product, even though they're similar. Second thing that's really important for competitive niches is price. Price is not the only way that customers make purchases. They purchase because they like the color, they purchase because it's the right shipping speed. There's a lot of different factors, but price is really important to a lot of customers. So understand what a competitive price should be for your product. We give you a lot of different information and tools at Amazon to help you understand what a competitive price would be. The one I'd recommend first is the Automate Pricing tool. You can use this tool to create and apply rules to your entire catalog, to a single product in your catalog, and really dig down and understand what the right price for that should be. Automate Pricing changes your prices automatically, so it will keep them competitive within a range that you feel comfortable with. If you don't feel comfortable below a certain price, set that limit. Your product won't go below it. Last but not least is just you need to stand out, usually in the Amazon store, both on the product detail page and elsewhere. So think about things like A+ content. Really get those images, get those videos onto your listing so that you stand out and you're a spectacle in the Amazon store. You also probably want to think about things like promotions and coupons. Just get your products in front of customers in different parts of our store, not just your product detail page. And last, classically, ads. Ads can appear in the Amazon store. They can appear beyond the Amazon store. You can use sponsored products, sponsored display, sponsored brands. All of these are cost per click opportunities you can use to really get your products in just front of more people. A lot of those things are located in our new seller guide. Not every part of the guide is about standing out from the crowd, but several different parts of it are. Go check it out.
Can I start Fulfillment by Amazon without a mentor?
You absolutely can start using Fulfillment by Amazon or FBA without a mentor, or you can start with a mentor. That's also totally fine. There are a lot of really great mentors out there. You could probably try connecting with some of them in seller forums. These are more experienced sellers that you might be able to connect with directly inside Seller Central, either for general advice or for a specific question. You can also work with service providers. We have a whole network of third-party service providers you can take advantage of. You can work with these folks professionally. They can get you up to speed on fulfillment in general or specifically Fulfillment by Amazon, but you don't have to use a mentor. In fact, we provide a lot of resources so that sellers don't have to do that. A lot of them live on our website, sell.amazon.com. The very first resource I'd recommend is our Fulfillment by Amazon page. There are step-by-step directions on that page for getting started with the program. Everything from enrolling in the program to listing your products through the program. Once you've taken a look at that, go ahead and explore our blog. There are blog posts specifically on there for new FBA sellers. So step-by-step instructions for onboarding. There's a lot of video content in those blog posts. If you'd rather watch than read, that's totally fine. But there's a lot of content on the blog post. Don't forget the revenue calculator, especially if you're not sure if you want to use FBA. You can do a side-by-side comparison with that calculator for free. Take a look at what FBA might cost for a specific product, take at what another fulfillment method, your own fulfillment method might cost for a product, and just look at the calculations, then recalculate maybe to see if you want to adjust things. You can do it on a per product basis. It's easy and simple. Last but not least, the actual send to Amazon workflow is how a lot of sellers engage with FBA. It's how you're going to get your inventory from your own warehouse into the fulfillment network. There are steps within that process. We break it out for you to make it as simple as possible. And if you still need help, which is totally okay, go ahead and click the Learn More link up in the corner of each step. It'll take you to a video, it'll take you to help content, it'll take you to all the resources you need to understand the step and complete the step with confidence.
What makes a new product launch good?
There are a lot of different things that can contribute to a good product launch. It's really going to depend on the product, especially if it's your own branded product. You want to put a lot of time and effort and thought into how you launch it. But one good guide you could try to use is our new seller guide. We offer the new seller guide to all new sellers, not just those who are launching new products. It's a great resource for anyone who's getting started in the Amazon store, especially in your first 90 days. But you could use the 6 elements of the new seller guide to help launch a new product as well. The very first one is brand registry. Brand registry can take some time. You need to enroll, you need to get your products associated with it. But once you have that firepower behind you, it opens up all kinds of resources. Everything from A+ content to manage your experiments, these really amazing tools that can help you understand and improve the performance of your product. Second part of the new seller guide is Vine. Everyone needs customer reviews. Vine can help you get them. Vine is a program where you give units of your inventory away to what we call Vine Voices, and they offer authentic reviews of your products that appear in the Amazon store. Part 3, automate pricing. Just as exciting as the first 2, often used by resellers. This is a repricing tool that lets you create and set rules or just use prepackaged rules that Amazon offers so that your prices change over time in response to different events. It can really help keep you competitive, especially in a fast-paced market. Next, FBA. This is the one that a lot of folks know already, Fulfillment by Amazon. You know it because it's a great program. It allows you to send your inventory from your warehouse into the Amazon Fulfillment Network. We store it for you, we pack it for you, we send it to your customers. It's a great way to outsource the not so much fun part of running a small business and let Amazon do the work. Focus on the stuff that really matters, including reinventing your product maybe. Last but not least is ads. This is an important part of the new seller guide. It can mean coupons, it can mean deals, it can mean promotions, or it can mean actual ads that you might run through Amazon advertising. And those are usually cost per click ads, sponsored products, sponsored brands, or sponsored display. All 3 of those can be a really great way to get your products in front of more customers and sold in the Amazon store.